have another Bullymake box.
Yeah.
The August Bullymake box. Well, it's September, but
Open it a little late. It's all good. Uh-oh, Lola. She is ready to see what's inside. All right.
okay, we got something called nursery source grain-free rabbit recipe.
All right, Lola's not waiting. She's not waiting. She said, give me those snacks.
Wait, Lola, we'll wait.
All right.
This. Oh, really?
You do not like it?
Wait, you don't like it?
Okay. What are these?
Wait.
Lola.
You don't like it.
What are these little balls? No, you don't like them now. Little.
Wait. Next we have Bullymake fishies.
Alright, let's see. We're just chilling here on Saturday, guys. And we decide, let's go ahead and do this Bullymake box.
The fishies. This is what they look like.
Get it out the way.
Okay.
Uh-oh, she liked that one. So give me another one of those.
And next we have Jellicious?
Mm-hmm.
Jelly style treats. Oh no, it's say Jellylicious.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is
Right. Lola, your tail in my face.
You don't care. Okay. Now on to the toys.
How many toys she got?
2.
You got a toy? That can't be a toy, it's like a pouch.
That's the toy. It says, well, this is the toy, but wait, hold on. It says this toy is meant for interactive play rather than for chewing. Enjoy tugging and throwing this ballistic toy with your dog. A perfect option for dogs that enjoy softer mouthfeel and compression with our other toy types. It's a tug toy. And here, is this a trident? I think it's a trident. And it's hard.
Yep.
That's it for what's in our Bullymake box. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for more Bullymake boxes. Bye.